Hello, welcome to Cooking with CNA. I'm Pedro.
I'm Augusto.
I'm Sofia.
Hello, I am Marielle.
Today we're going to make a fun and sweet recipes.
They are small, creamy, and full of Oreo cookies. Let's get started! Yay!
Here's what we need.
3 grams of cream cheese, half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half cup of crushed Oreo cookies, 12 whole Oreo cookies.
First, preheat the oven to 108 degrees Celsius.
Now take a muffin pan and add cupcakes liners.
Put 1 whole Oreo in each liner. This will be the cookie base.
Now, let's make the cheesecake filling. In a big bowl, mix the cream cheese until it's soft and smooth. Add the sugar and mix for about 2 minutes. Then, add the Greek yogurt and vanilla. Mix again. Next, add the eggs one by one. Mix slowly, don't mix too much. Finally, add the crushed Oreos. Mix with a spoon.
Now, fill each cupcake liner with the cheesecake mix. Try to make them all the same size. Time to bake! Put the tray in the oven and bake for 14 to 16 minutes. They should look soft, but not wet in the middle.
Take them out and let them cool a little. Then put them in the freezer for 30 minutes to chill.
Now, let's make the topping. In a small bowl, mix half a cup of cream cheese, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon vanilla. Mix well until it's nice and smooth. Add the Oreos and mix again.
Now, take the cheesecake from the freezer and a small spoon of topping on each one. Then sprinkle some crushed Oreos on top.
And that's it. Your mini Oreo cheesecake are ready. Perfect for a party or just a snack.
Thanks for watching Cooking with CNA.
See you next time!